Hello, it's time. It's time for my potato video. I'm gonna put on some gloves here because I got my nails done and I really don't want to get my nails all dirty digging in the dirt. Yeah, so I'm not afraid of germs, I just don't want to get all dirty, right? Okay, so here we go.
Hello, my name is Cindy Bennett and welcome to this video. Thank you so much for coming. Don't forget to leave a comment below this video. Let me know how you liked it and please consider subscribing to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.
Do I have potatoes in this bag? Okay, so these are bags I got on Amazon. They're black cloth bags. I have dead. Ugh. It's dirt. I have hay on the top here. Okay, so it has like a little flap that you can open up. I go like this. I can open up the flap and let me just point the camera down here. It has a little flap and there's a lot of roots in there. I can't see any potatoes, so I could dig out from underneath here. I don't feel any yet. You know, in the picture, you got potatoes falling out of the little window. Got one. Okay. Okay. I got two. Weirdest thing is it's not connected to anything. Didn't feel like it was. Oh, I got another one, little one. Now my mother grew up in a place where they grew a garden every year, and she said they would get so excited about the fresh potatoes that came right out. So that's pretty good. Oh, one just popped out. I don't know if you could see that one. A pretty good size one. Oh, I'm excited. I got a few. I've seen lots of potato videos that, you know, sometimes they don't get as many as they had hoped, but we got some. Ooh, nice. Good little stat. Ooh, these are cute. I know these are tasty. These are connected to the roots. So I don't know how that works. I can feel picking. Oh, looks like that one. Here's one. These little teeny tiny ones, they look like they're still growing. I wonder if I put those back in, if it'll keep growing. So I might try that. Put the flap down. Throw this back in. Maybe they're not done yet because those roots aren't quite completely dead from what I've seen. But that's a lot of dirt still. And I don't feel anything else in there. Okay, so that's one bag. I wouldn't say that was a huge harvest. Okay. So I wouldn't say that's a huge harvest, but it's something. Thanks for watching.